So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Cognizant Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates and the interview preparation videos. And don't forget to watch our latest videos, especially because Zoho, HCL, Microsoft, Rapido, Amdocs, Geeky Ants, Amazon and Myntra are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I am requesting all of you to watch our latest videos, especially because here you can see they're giving 3.5 to 12 LPA plus salary packages for the different job profiles. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description of this video so that you'll be able to know about the eligibility and the application process and the last date to apply for the different job profiles. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of Cognizant. So they are hiring for the full stack developer or the engineer full stack, and job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and job ID this is. And if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply click on the apply now button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this job profile if you have already created an account in Cognizant career portal. If you have not created any account, then you need to first register yourself in their career portal. So later we'll be discussing about the application process. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria first. So the qualification required is engineer, science or engineering graduate. That means BE, BTech, BSc, etc. They have not specified any batch criteria here. That means starting from 2018 or 17 to 2021 or 22. And also the fresh graduates as well as the experienced candidates can apply for this job profile. They have not asked for any experience required for this job profile. That means freshers or the fresh graduates as well as the experienced candidates can apply for this job profile. And salary will be getting 4.5 to minimum of 4.5 to 6-7 LPA plus as per your experience or interview performance salary will be getting. So now let's discuss about the responsibilities or the roles. Use story or epic grooming and sizing. Understand the user story and alignment to the features from the product owner. Identify new or alternate or the alternative features and recommend to the team or the team lead or the team manager. Size user story in the area of the work concerned, and track and report the effort estimated, etc. These are the key responsibilities. So now let's discuss about the skills required or the qualifications required for this job profile. And knowledge of the management conducting the training as approved, and skills must be having is Java. So you must be knowing core Java as well as the advanced Java, and good to have the skills on AWS cloud or Spring Boot, AngularJS or the Oracle. So these are the skills you need to have or knowing. Java is must, and other plus advantages or the plus skills are there like AWS, Spring Boot, AngularJS, Oracle, etc. And employee status is the full-time employment, and shift is the day shift or the day job. That means the normal Indian timing, like starting from 10 to 7 or 6 p.m. Then travel no, and job posting is 12th January 2021. That means it's a fresh job. So I am requesting all of you to apply for this job profile. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. So if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply click on the apply now button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this job profile. And also, let me tell you one thing. So at the right side here, you can see candidates also viewed and applied for different job profiles like programmer analyst, associate data analyst, associate projects, business associate, principal software engineer, etc. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for these job profiles as well. So suppose if you are not eligible for this job profile and simply they are rejecting you, and if you are applying for the other job profiles, later they will be sending you the test invitation or the interview invitation for the different job profiles. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for these other job profiles as well while applying. So like senior software engineer, here you can see the job profile is active now. That means you can apply for this job profile because it is showing apply now. That means it is active right now. You can apply for this job profile. Software associate, again for same location Bangalore. If you are interested for this job profile and location, you can apply for. So I would suggest you to apply for the all the profiles if applicable, or if you are eligible then definitely apply, because it is not taking or charging any money here or any amount here to apply for this job profile. So it's totally free of cost. So I am requesting all of you to apply for the other job profiles as well. So who knows, here you are eligible and they are sending you the test invitation. So here you can see it is also bachelor's in science, engineering, or any equivalent. So I guess most of the candidates are eligible as per their qualification, and as per the skills it depends uh, whether you know all these skills or not. So this is all about the this Cognizant Off Campus Drive. So I hope you get a clear idea about this. So I'll be putting the link of this video in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this job profile before the job profile gets expired. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.